Okay, so we're doing question 410 from chapter 7, and it's saying the following graph shows the situation after the U.S. government removes a tariff on imports of canned tuna. Part A is asking us which areas show the gain in consumer surplus. So, since we were moved from here to here, this whole area, A, B, C, D, is all going to be an increase in consumer surplus because everything's so much cheaper that this whole area is now in consumer surplus because we're moving from here to here for the consumers because this is the demand curve. This is on the demand curve. So we're moving in quantity demanded from here to here. So we're moving that whole area A, B, C, D. What about producers? Producers are moving from here to here. So what do they lose? Well, they lose A. A is what is essentially being squeezed out from them because of this this reduction of tariffs. They're moving from this point to this point, and that equates to A, or rather correlates to A. For government revenue, here was the disparity between quantity supplied and quantity demanded. That's where the government made their profit off of tariffs. So this whole area C is what the government is losing in revenue. So the total surplus is going to be consumer surplus minus producer surplus minus government revenue. So what are we left with by taking away, by starting with A, B, C, and D, subtracting A and subtracting C, we're getting B plus D. Because B, you're not losing, or B doesn't represent a loss, and D doesn't represent a loss. Well, A represents the loss of producer surplus, remember? C represents the loss of government revenue. So total surplus is this area B plus D. So as a whole, surplus is positive, meaning that this reduction of tariffs